and welcome back to the CRM module. Now you've had a brief introduction to the CRM pipeline, menus, and basic functionality within the module. In this lesson, we will explore the impact of setting different user access rights and will review some of the CRM configuration settings. From our main dashboard, let's click the Settings icon. Then we will click Manage Users. We can also access this list view filtered by default to internal users by clicking the Main User and Company's Users menu at the top here. We will open Mitchell Admin and scroll down the page. The first thing to note is that under Administration, Mitchell has Settings access. This gives him the ability to view and change access rights for other users. We can also see there are no CRM-specific access rights listed. That is because the access rights for the CRM module are defined by a user's sales access rights. Mitchell is a sales administrator, which allows him access to the CRM configuration and full reporting menus. Let's use the user's breadcrumb to return to our list view and we will open Mark Demo. We see Mark has Sales User All Documents and in Administration he has no settings. This means Mark will not see the settings icon when he logs into the main dashboard and within the CRM module he will not have access to the configuration menu. However, he will have full reporting access. Let's use the left arrow in the top right corner and move to Doris. Doris has Sales Own Documents Only access rights, which means she will not see the CRM configuration menu and she will have restricted CRM reporting information. Hovering over the Sales question mark, we see a handy tooltip indicating Sales Own Documents, meaning the user can only access their own data. Within CRM, this means Doris will only have visibility on opportunities or leads that are either unassigned or assigned to her. She will also only be able to create or assign leads and opportunities to herself. To completely remove access to the CRM module for a user, you can simply change the sales access rights to nothing, like so. This will remove visibility of both the sales and CRM icons when the user logs into the main dashboard. Let's discard that change and click the Settings menu to return to the main settings page. In the left column, we have various modules listed. Let's click on CRM to see settings specific to this module. Before we continue, let's click the Settings icon in the top left to return to the main dashboard. From here, we will click the CRM icon and then the Configuration Settings menu. This has brought us to the same page we previously accessed via Settings. As Odoo is seamlessly integrated, there are often multiple ways to access the same page. The first configuration option is Recurring Revenues. When activated, revenue totals are displayed separately in the CRM pipeline Kanban stages and within the Kanban card. Let's click Manage Recurring Plans to see a list of recurring plans already created. Note, we can also access this list view via the Configurations Recurring Plans menu, like so. Now let's click the CRM menu to open the pipeline, and we see in the new stage there is an expected revenue of £80,000 coming from 2 different opportunities and an expected monthly recurring revenue of £100. Let's open the Quote for 12 Tables opportunity and we see expected revenue of £40,000 plus 100 recurring revenue. When we click in the monthly drop-down, we can select any of our created recurring plans. Let's use the pipeline breadcrumb and move our attention to the Proposition Kanban stage, which is currently showing no expected monthly recurring revenue. We will remove the My Pipeline filter and we see the figures change to account for expected revenue from all opportunities in this stage, assigned to various salespeople. The expected MRR is now 8. This figure is totaling all the expected recurring revenue per month for each opportunity in this stage. Looking at the Kanban card for the Open Space Design opportunity assigned to Mark Demo, we see the expected revenue of £11,000 plus £100 yearly display in the Kanban card. That £100 expected recurring revenue for the yearly plan displays as £8 per month in the Proposition stage total. Let's now return to the Configurations Settings menu. The next configuration we have activated is Leads. Odoo defines a lead as an inquiry which has not been qualified. Activating this feature has made the Leads menu visible in our database and allows the user to communicate with the lead prior to converting it to an opportunity. This could be useful for a business where there are large volumes of inquiries coming from multiple sources, particularly large conferences, where a user may receive many networking leads. Creating a lead in Odoo does not create a contact in your database. A contact is only created when the lead is converted to an opportunity, or if the user uses Send Message to email the lead. Activating leads keeps your database of contacts streamlined to only qualified opportunities. We will explore how leads can be created, merged, and converted to opportunities in future lessons. The next configuration is multi-teams. This allows you to configure multiple sales teams, each with specific configurations. Let's move to the Configurations Sales Team menu and we see there are 8 teams configured. Let's open the Sales Global Team to view the settings available. First, we can name the sales team as required. Above, the Action button allows us to archive, duplicate, delete, or open sessions. Let's use the forward arrow to move to the Point of Sale East Side Shop Sales Team. We will click Action, Open Sessions. Let's remove the default In Progress filter to see a list view of all POS sessions relating to the East Side Shop sales team. We will use the sales team breadcrumb to return to the list view, and then we will open the Sales Global Team once more. The pipeline tick box determines if this sales team is visible in the Sales Teams menu. The Leads tick box can be ticked if this sales team will be qualifying inquiries as leads before converting them to opportunities. The team leader can be defined, which gives them visibility on all opportunities in this team. The team leaders must have at least Sales User All Documents access rights. The email alias configuration allows us to define the email address that will be used to catch email requests, which will automatically create leads or opportunities in CRM, depending on configuration. Clicking in the Everyone drop-down, we can define who to accept emails from for this sales team. The Company field can define if a team should only be visible on a specific company in a multi-company environment. If left blank, the sales team will be visible in all companies. The Members section allows you to add members to this sales team. A user can be made a member of multiple teams. A team leader or team member will have visibility on all opportunities in any team they belong to, if they have at least Sales User All Documents access rights. Now you've explored the impact of different user access rights and learned about some of the configuration settings available, including recurring revenues, leads, and multi-teams. Why don't you head over to the next lesson, where we will explore the remaining CRM configurations. Thank you for watching, and until next time.